We're going to look at the slide sheet, which is the next transfer we're going to show you. They are designed to be used in the moving, transferring and repositioning of service users. We start by positioning the slide sheet under the service user. To do this, we would need to use a roll technique. When the service user has rolled onto one side, the slide sheet will be fitted over the service user and tucked in, and then roll on the opposite side and thread the slide sheet through. When in position, the carers will be on either side of the bed. From here, they need to have a good posture. So the carer will hold the top part of the slide sheet only. The carer will put the weight on their front leg to start with, and transferring the weight onto the back leg as they transfer the service user down the bed.